Welcome to our tutorial on how to reply to a message on Gmail. In this updated guide, we will walk you through the steps to easily respond to a message on your Android device. To begin, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Look for the chat icon located at the bottom of the screen and tap on it to access your conversations. Next, select the conversation that includes the message you want to reply to. Once you have opened the conversation, swipe right on the message you want to reply to. This will reveal the option to reply to the message. Underneath the text of the message, you will see a text box where you can write your response. Take your time to compose your reply, making sure to address any questions or comments in the original message. Once you have finished writing your response, tap on the send arrow icon to send your reply. Your message will now be sent to the recipient, and they will be able to view your response in the conversation thread. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily reply to a message on Gmail using your Android device. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Happy messaging!